So today I will explain you how to add two numbers, and this is your chapter, addition chapter. So open your books, addition and chapter 2, and in this chapter first we will solve the questions from the exercise. You have the recap exercise, okay, because you have already learned, okay, because you have already learned in class 2 also you have learned the addition. So in this class also you will learn addition for the larger numbers, okay. So your recap exercise is based on your previous classes, okay. So here is the first question, right? The first question is here, add mentally, okay. Here we don't have to do on the you don't have to do on your copy or on the blackboard here, just add mentally here. So the first question is, how will you add it mentally? Plus 3, okay. So this is the number 138 plus 3. So we have to add this mentally. Mentally मतलब अपने दिमाग से ही जोड़ना है, दिमाग से ही हमको मतलब कॉपी और पेंसिल का यूज नहीं करना है. Without using pencil and paper, we have to find the sum of these two numbers. So can you find the sum of these two numbers? So if you can find, then solve in your mind, okay, and then give the answer. So see here, it is 138 and here it is 3. So how much it will be if you add mentally? So here 8 plus 3, okay, how much will be 8 plus 3 mentally? Or you can just write, don't add it here, 138, okay, 138, then count. You will have to do 138, then next will be 139, okay, 138, then 139, okay, there are three numbers here, okay, we are adding 3 here, so 138, then 139, then 140, then 141, so the answer will be 141, okay. So this is how we will add mentally by using some tricks. So we can find out the answer by using our fingers only, because we have already 138 is there, then 3 more is there. So 138 just count, okay, beyond 138. 138 के बाद काउंट करना शुरू करो. तो 138 के बाद क्या होगा? 139. Then 139 के बाद क्या होगा? 140. और उसके बाद क्या होगा? 141. So in this way the answer will be 138. Then plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 139 और फिर 139 plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 140 and then 140 plus 1 is equal to 141. So answer here it will be 141. So this is how you can add mentally. So the other question is B. Okay, in this B, how will you add 100 plus 6 plus 4? इसको कैसे प्लस करेंगे? मेंटली प्लस करना है. ओके, मेंटली करना है तो यहाँ पर क्या करना पड़ेगा? 100 है यहाँ पर, तो 100. Then you will start counting. Okay, then 101. Okay, 101. Then you will count 6. 101, 102. Okay, then 103, 104, 105, 106. So this plus this will be equal to 106. And then again you have to add 4. Then go 4 more places. So 106 के बाद 4 और काउंट करना है. तो 107, 108, 109 and 110. So the answer will be 110. Okay. So this is 100 here. So you can also use the, like you can count these steps here. Like you are 100 here and 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you have come here. That is, it will be 101, then 102, 103 and so on. So you will get the answer in this. So mentally you can also add, or first mentally in this also you can add first 6 plus 4. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, then now count after 100. Okay, count after 100 10 more things. That is 101, then 102, then you will reach at 110. Okay, इस तरह से काउंट करने से तुमको मिल जाएगा आंसर 110. So in this way you can use mentally, but that is using some tricks. So number C is here 400 plus 100. अब इसको क्या करना है 400 plus 100 and mentally do it. So 400 plus 100. So suppose you have 400 rupees, okay, and your brother give you more 100 rupees. Then how much money you will have total? 400 plus 100. That is you will have 500 rupees. So here you can add 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5 here. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is here 0. So answer is 500. Okay, this is mentally without doing anything. So we will have to add in our mind only and then give the answer. Now the question number 2 is write the missing number. Okay, missing number. So question number 2 is here 25 plus 26 equal to how much? यहाँ पर मिसिंग नंबर लिखना है. मिसिंग नंबर मतलब जो नंबर खो गया है वो क्या नंबर है पता लगाओ. ओके, द नंबर which is missing, find out the number. So here when you add these two numbers you will get the answer and that will be the missing number. So कैसे प्लस करेंगे इसको? तो 6 plus 5 है ना, तो यहाँ पर अपने लिख लो 25 plus 26 कितना हो जाएगा? 6 plus 5 6 plus 5 11. You can count on the fingers because I think you use the fingers. Okay, so use your fingers or draw some lines in the rough and then count. So 6 plus 5 is 11, then carry 1, then 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 5. So the missing number is here 51. Okay, so in this way we can find the missing number. Then next is here 18. Question number 18 plus missing number is equal to 23. So what is the missing number here in this box? 18 plus how much will be? 23. So now count 18, then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So you have 5. So in this you write 5. So you have this missing number 5. Okay. So then this is your A, this is B. Then next is C. This is missing number plus 7 equal to 33. Now what is the missing number here? 33 is here and 7 is here. So how much you will add to 7 to get this? 7 में कितना प्लस करने से 33 हो जाएगा? तो कितना होगा? प्लस करके देखो और find out what is the answer. Okay, here now you can decrease. Okay, that is it is 33 here, 33. So count backwards 7 days. That is 33 का कितना होगा? 32 होगा इसमें. और simply right here that is subtract. Okay, 33 minus 7. 33 minus 7 कितना हो जाएगा? 26. So right here 26. So answer will be here 26. Okay. So this is the missing number. Now question number 3. We have to add two numbers. Number 3. In this question number A, 31 plus 67. इसको plus करना है. Okay. You have to add these two numbers. So 7 plus 1 is how much? 7 plus 1 now. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so answer is 98. Question number B, 24 plus 53. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 5 plus 2 is also 7. So answer is 77. Then you have C. You have C here 22 plus 45. it is 7 and 6. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So answer is 67. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So answer is 67. Now question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Now question number 4. Question number 4. A, you have 16 plus 53 plus 7 equal to. You will find the sum here. So how will you do here? First add these two numbers. Okay, 53 plus 7 will be how much? 53 plus 7. Okay, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, then 59 and 60. So answer will be 60. Then 60 plus 16. Then again 60 plus 6 will be 66 and 66 plus 10 will be 76. So here answer will be 76. Okay, so first you will add these two numbers. Okay, 53 and then count. Okay, count here, then you will have the 60 answer, then 60, then again count 16 more, then you will get 76. Similarly, question number C. Here you have 34 plus 16 plus 23. Now how much here? Now 34 plus 16. Now see here, it is 6 and this is 4 here. So 6 plus 4 will be 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. Then here you have 3 plus 1 is 4. So if you add these two, that is sub. See here, first observe the number है ना, 30 यहाँ देखना है 30. Okay, 34 यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, तो 34 में देखो 30 है इसमें, और यहाँ पर 16 में कितना लिखा हुआ है? 10 में लिखा हुआ है 10. Okay, in 34 you have 30 and in 16 you have 10 also. So first add 30 plus 10 will be 40 and 6 plus 4 will be 10. So it will be 50. Okay, तो इसका सम कितना हो गया? 50. Now 50 plus 23. So you have 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20 करो. 50 plus 20 will be 70 and then 70 plus 3 will be 73. So in this way you can find the sum. ठीक है? Now next question is here number 5. Three group of ants set out to look for crumbs. Okay, you know crumbs. Crumbs का मतलब कुछ खाने पीने की चीज होती है, जो कि मतलब से कि जब हम खाते पीते हैं तो कुछ बच जाता है, तो उसको आप बोलते हैं crumb. Okay, so 3 groups of ants set out to look for the crumbs. Find the total crumbs collected by the ants per tick. Okay, so what is the answer in this? First add these two numbers, then you will get the answer. Okay, so see how much is the answer. Number 5, crumbs. So question number A. You have here the trip 1. Okay, trip 1 मतलब पहले ट्रिप में 3 groups of ants set out to look for crumbs. Find the total crumbs collected by the ants per trip. है ना, एक ट्रिप में मतलब उसने कितने क्रम्स को जमा किए. तो यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है ट्रिप 1 में कितना जमा किया है? 116 प्लस 98 प्लस 42. तो सबको प्लस कर देंगे और फिर यहाँ पर हमको 3 नंबर यहाँ पर है, ट्रिप A है ना, ट्रिप B एंड ट्रिप C. ट्रिप 1, ट्रिप 2, ट्रिप 3 और फिर सबको प्लस कर देना है यहाँ पर. सो पहले फर्स्ट में कितना कलेक्ट किया? ओके, फर्स्ट ट्रिप A. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? HTO. तो नंबर इज हियर. In this you have 116 plus 98 and plus 42. तो हमको इसको प्लस करना है. ओके, तो कितना हो जाएगा इसमें यहाँ पर? So you have here 8 plus 6 है ना, 8 plus 6 कितना होगा? 14 plus 2 is 16. So write here 6, then carry here 1. तो 1 plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 2 और 9 plus 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 11 and 11 plus 4 कितना हो जाएगा? 15. And then carry 1 here again. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the total number of crumbs collected in the first trip. Okay, so similarly you can find the total number of crumbs collected in the trip 2 and trip 3. Okay, now there are many questions, and in this you will do the homework. Many questions are there, and I have left many questions. So all those questions which I have left, you will do your homework. Those questions which I have left. Okay. So now the next exercise is 2.1. Okay. So now we will learn exercise 2.1. So in this exercise, now again add some more numbers. Question number 1. Thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. So the one number is here 3, 5, 6, 2, and 2, 1, 3, 5. Then add these two numbers, you will get the answer. Now here 5 plus 2 is how much? 5 plus 2 is 7. Then write here 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay? So you can add very easily by using your fingers. Okay? And here 5, then 6, 7. Okay, then you will count here 6, then 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, then 5, then 5 plus 1, 6, then 3, then 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5,697. So next question is B. This is A, and then B. You have here again thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. So the first number is 5,346, and next number is 4,553. Now add this number, these two numbers. Now 6 plus 3 will be 9, 4 plus 5 is also 9, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So the answer is 9,899. Now question number C and D is your homework. Okay? Question number 1, C and D. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Write each of the following in expanded form and add. है ना, इनको क्या करना है कि we have to add these two numbers by expanding, है ना. पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, नंबर को expand करना पड़ेगा. expand का मतलब क्या करना, बड़ा करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so how will you expand the number? So for example, take this question number A और इसको expand करते हैं, and the number is 3, 2, 4, 3, that is 3,243, and the other number is 4,326. फिर इन दोनों को प्लस करना है by expanding. So इसको expand करना है first. Okay, first expand this. So this is 3 is at the thousands place, so it will be 3,000 plus it will be 200 plus 40 plus 3. So this is the expanded form of this number. Now expand this number, it will be 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. अब इन दोनों को प्लस कर देना है, यहाँ पर प्लस कर दो इसमें. So 6 plus 3 कितना हो जाएगा 9, और यहाँ प्लस लिखो 40 plus 20 हो जाएगा 60 plus 3 plus 2 is 5, so here 500. That is 200 plus 300 is 500 is it? And 3,000 plus 4,000 will be 7,000. So 7 here 1,000 plus this. Then what is the answer? Then you will write now 7569. So answer is 7569. This is the sum of these two numbers by using the expansion. Okay. By expanding the numbers, we can find the answer. The next number is B. तो कैसे प्लस करेंगे इसको? How will you add? So the next number is here 6,582, and other number is 2,313. इन दोनों को प्लस करना है. Okay? So how will you add? By using the expanding. Okay, we have to expand the number and then write the answer. So now here expand this number. It will be 6,5. That is, it will be 6,000 plus 500. Or write in words also. Expansion means here you will write 6,000. 6,000, then 500s, then 8 tens and 2 ones. Next number is 2,000s. Hundreds and 1, 10. Okay, and here 3 ones. Okay, here we will not write 1 10. So we will write only 1 10 because we have only 1 10. So now you will add in these two numbers. So 6 plus 2 will be how much? 8,000s. And 5 plus 3 will be 800s. And 8 plus 1 will be here 9 tens. And 3 plus 2 will be here 5 ones. So what is the answer now? So you have 8,000s, 800s and 9 tens and 5 ones. So the sum will be 8, 8, 9 and 5. So this is the answer, that is by expanding. Okay, this is the sum by using the expansion of the numbers. When you expand the numbers, then you will add the numbers like this. Okay, so this is the answer, and C and D is your homework. Okay, the question number C and D are your homework. Now question number D, have the following. So you have this number and you have to add here. So 7 plus 3 will be 10. Okay? 7 plus 3 is 10. Then write here 0. Then carry 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And 6 plus 9 is 15. So 15. Then carry 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 plus 8 is 13. Then write here 3. Then again carry 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 5 will be 9. Okay, you will count on your fingers as you know. Okay, so here I have done mentally, but you will do on your fingers. Okay, so if you can do fast, then it's very good. But if you don't know how to do fast, then you will do it on the fingers. Okay, and when you learn how to add, then you can also add mentally very fast. Okay, so now question number B. This is A. The next number is B here. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, these are the places. And the number is 1,678. And other number is 4,753. और इसको प्लस करना है. Okay. Now 8 plus 3 will be count. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. So 11 here, write 1, then carry 1 here. Okay. And now 7 plus 1 is, kitna hoga 7 plus 1? 8. Or 8 plus 5? 13. Then write 13, then write 3 here, then carry 1. Then 6 plus 1 will be 7. And 7 plus 1, 7 will be 14. Then write 4 here. And then nothing is carried. 4 plus 1 then? Yes, it is carried here, 1. So write here, carry 1 here. Then 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 4 is 6. So answer is 6. So 8 plus 3 कितना हो गया 11. तो यहाँ रखेंगे 8 plus 3 कितना होगा 11. और 11 का 1 यहाँ हो जाएगा और 1 कैरी ले लेंगे. Okay, you will carry 1 and then 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 5 will be 13. Then carry again 1. 1 is carried here. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 7 will be 14. Then again carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is the sum. That is 6,431. So this is the sum. Now question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Here again we have to add, but the numbers are written like this horizontally, and we have to write the given numbers in columns and then add. Okay, so write in the columns and then add. Okay, so here I am writing the number in the column. Okay, you will see the question in the book. 7,248. Okay, this is the first number, and the next number is 1,364. Okay, so now add this number here. Thousands place, hundreds, tens, ones. 8 plus 4 कितना होगा 12. Then write here 2. Carry 1. Then 4 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 5. And 5 plus 6 11. So write 11. Then here write 1 and then carry 1. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 3 will be 6. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. So answer is 8,612. Now question number D. Okay, I will do D. 8,542. 42 and 3,214. So add this number. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 3 is 11. So answer is 11,756. Now question number 5. Add the following. Okay. So question number 5, and this is the question number A. So add this number. You have 3 numbers here. Like one number is 4,356, and other number is 2,313, and the third number is 1,673. So you have to add these 3 numbers. So how will you add here? Again, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Then write here 2. Then 1 carried. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14. Then write 4. Then carry 1. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 plus 3 is 7. And 7 plus 6 is 13. Then write 3, then carry 1, then 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8. So the answer is 8,342. Okay, now question number B. Here the number is 2,416 and other number is 78. and the third number is 263. So इन सबको ऐड करना है. So 8 plus 6 कितना होता है? 8 plus 6 is 14 and 14 plus 3 is 17. Then write 7 here and then 1 is carried to tens place. Now 1 plus 1 will be 2 and 2 plus 7 is 9 and 9 plus 6 will be 15. Then 5, then carry 1 to the hundreds place. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is here 7 and right here 2. So the answer is 2757. Okay. The other two questions is here C and D. So again write C and D. C. So thousands place, then hundreds place, then tens place, then ones place. Then write the numbers like 5134. Other number is 245, and third number is 56. Now 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Then write 5, then carry 1, then 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, then write 3 and then carry 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4 and then 5 here. So the answer is 5435. And the last one in this exercise is D. This question D. Write again thousands place, that is TH, then H, then T and then O. That is thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and the ones place. And the first number is 456 and second number is 2657 and the third number is 5 only. So now add this number. So 5 plus 7 is 12 and 12 plus 6 is 18. Then write here 8 and then carry 1 to this place. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 5 will be 11. So write here 1 and carry 1. So 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 6 is 11. Then write here 1 and then carry 1 to this place. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the answer is 3118. So this is the end of this exercise 2.1. So I hope you have understood all those sums and how to do those sums. समझ में आ गया होगा? And I think you are also solving the questions at home. तो ये खत्म हो गया एक्सरसाइज, अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. This chapter is not finished and we have more exercise in this chapter. You have 2.2 and 2.3. 2.4 and 2.5. Okay. So in the next class I will cover all those exercises and you will have the homework. Okay. The homework will be your exercise 2.1. Okay. You will do all the questions and that is your homework, and also the recap exercise. The homework is recap exercise and the exercise 2.1. Okay. So now I will stop this and then thank you for watching.